Why waiving labor certification, EB-2 petitions, is becoming more challenging and what you can do about it.
Greetings. I am immigration attorney Edwin Fogham. Our topic for today is why the waiver of labor certification in EB-2, employment-based visa petitions, is becoming more challenging. Normally, for a foreign national to be hired and to work in the United States, the employer has to file or go through the labor certification process, what is normally called PERM. This lengthy process is aimed at testing the market and making sure that there are no Americans willing, ready, and able to do the work. So there is a lengthy process of advertising and interviewing in order for the employer to hire the foreign national. However, under the immigration laws, this lengthy process can be waived under what is called the National Interest Waiver provision of the EB-2 employment-based category. And if a foreign national can demonstrate that he or she has an advanced degree or has exceptional abilities and is going to be working in an area that is beneficial to the national interests of the United States, then that foreign national can seek and obtain a national interest waiver. However, this waiver is becoming more and more challenging for many reasons. First of all, the nationalist immigration policy, a stricter definition or a more demanding requirement for national interest is one. Secondly, the adjudication is highly discretionary, and that has to be taken into consideration. Thirdly, the U.S. economy, the concerns of the labor market, the uncertainty as well as projected or anticipated inflation is another issue. More documents are required, more adjudicatory requirements for like documentation and things like that. It is no longer enough to demonstrate that you meet the threshold. You need to really show more. And there are substantial backlogs as well, which is affecting the process. So some of these things have to be considered when you are engaging or getting into your national interest waiver petition process. So what can you do about this? There are a couple of things you can do. First of all, you should expect that your petition is going to be more scrutinized, which means your documentation and information should be substantial. Secondly, focus on your strengths, focus on the areas that you can articulate very well, rather than being very general in your petition. Also, start early as you can, because you will definitely be receiving requests for evidence and things like that. And also make sure you seek good legal counsel, somebody who is well versed or has done this, because the concept national interest waiver is still nebulous and requires articulation and creativity. I hope this was helpful to you. If you are interested in pursuing this path, please contact us. Law Offices of Fogam and Associates. Our phone number is 301-608-1555. You can also shoot us an email, info@fogamlaw.com or ekfogham@fogamlaw.com. If you go to our website, you will also find free downloadable information on strategies as far as national interest waiver is concerned. Thank you again, and I hope to see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a review in the comments.